I'm going to show you how to get joystick in Pokemon Go. Therefore, we are going to in Play Store. Open Play Store. Download this app. Giving the link. App's name is GPS joystick. The app Ninjas. Be sure that's his app. Open the app. Now open the location. Location is open. Get the current location. Use my last location is my current location, and you get a joystick in your screen. Be sure see there a joystick, by that you can move. Now open Pokemon Go. Taking some more times. My net is little bit slow. To wait. Oh, the net is damn. Wanna do? And net is too slow. Version, therefore the new pick. Can you see that is not a hack? Be sure. Uh, there is some three options: person, fast, more fast. You can see that. Now I get it is my character. By the joystick you can move him. I having just now. Oh wait. I having just now some more Pokemons. I having whoa. I guess I need to find them. Okay, there is an option. Directly you can go. It's not working. We are not yet. Yeah. Sorry for that. Okay. There is a option like a flag up. There is a loop mode. From that you can walk with the person. See that? Okay. Thanks. Be sure. Gives likes. Give like and share this video to all. Share this video. It's be careful. Be careful. There are so many things. The cars having accidents by the Pokemon Go. Therefore, we are going to see that video. Joystick by joystick you can move, and that's some problem with that. I see you. My it's not founding. GPS having my problem. Uh, switching my account. Okay. Next video I see you how to get some another highly rarely Pokemons, how you can get. Okay, thanks for watching and be careful, give some likes. Thanks.